Here's the latest winter storm briefing from the National Weather Service La Crosse, recorded on Saturday afternoon, November 8th. We do have a winter storm that will be impacting the area as we look ahead to the early coming week here. This is the first big snow of the season. Again, most of the snow will be coming in late Sunday night, but for the most part Monday into Tuesday morning, with the main heavy snow axis running west to east across central Minnesota and into northern Wisconsin. Could get quite a bit of snow, a heavy wet snow, and there'll be far less snow amounts as you work your way south. There could even be a little bit of mixture of precipitation on that interface as well. There will certainly be impacts to travel on Monday and part of Tuesday, which also could have an impact on area schools. As this winter storm approaches, this is just an animation kind of showing you how this storm system will move through late Sunday night into Tuesday. The green represents the areas of precipitation. As you can see, it kind of sweeps in from the Dakotas right across parts of Minnesota and into the northern half of Wisconsin mainly before exiting on Tuesday. The total forecast snow, again, the main axis extends from near Aberdeen, South Dakota, east to west across central Minnesota, and covering a big part of northern Wisconsin. You can see much lighter snowfall amounts expected as you work your way south into northern Iowa and parts of southern Wisconsin. The likelihood of 4 inches or more axis, as another representative of the heaviest snow axis, again will shift from the North Dakota, South Dakota border across Minnesota and into the Great Lakes, as you can see through this animation. So with that said, there are winter storm watches in effect for parts of a big part of central and even parts of southern Minnesota into the northern half of Wisconsin. These winter storm watches start late Sunday night, but for the most part on Monday and Tuesday they are in effect for. Total snowfall forecast. This is just a preliminary amount that will be obviously adjusted as the storm approaches. Ranges from next to no snow down across parts of eastern Iowa and northern Illinois to as much as 3 to 5 inches closer to Interstate 90, and then 6 inches plus as you work your way up towards the Twin Cities, across towards the Eau Claire, Chippewa Falls area in Wisconsin, and over towards Wausau. The main impacts, again, the heavy snow axis still a bit in question. We know there will be a heavy snow axis, but exactly where that will lay out is still a little bit in question. This could shift a little bit north or south. Precipitation will start for the most part late Sunday night or early Monday morning and be all snow in northern areas, but could be a mix again to the south. The highest snowfall rates, well, that'll be generally during the day on Monday. We do expect widespread impacts to travel and on roadways. There'll be a heavy snow that will be falling during parts of the morning and even the afternoon commutes. There could even be some impact still on Tuesday morning. National Weather Service urges you to use our website and all their social media to stay abreast of this storm. Again, forecasts will be updated as it gets closer.